Over the past few months, Google has quietly been rolling out some absolutely insane free AI tools, and almost nobody knows they exist. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the best secret Google AI tools that are available right now, including some brand new features that just dropped. And the best part? Everything I'm about to show you is 100% free. No trials, no tricks, no credit card roulette. Just so you know, I'm not on some fancy paid plan. I'm inside my Gemini account, and in the top right, it says Upgrade. If I click that, it asks me to pay $20 a month for Google AI Pro. So everything I'm showing you in this video runs on the free plan. Let's start with tool number 1, Opal. Just head to opal.google.com. This tool lets you build full-on applications using plain English. No coding, no design tools. Just describe what you want. I typed, create a complete 1-month baby-led weaning meal plan for an infant just starting solids. Hit submit, and in 20 seconds, the entire workflow was built. It generated user inputs, guidelines, and a step-by-step structure automatically. I could preview, test, and publish the app with a public link, ready to share with other parents. That means you can build anything from parenting tools to client forms, idea generators, and lead magnets, all without writing a single line of code. Tool number 2 is AI Studio's Build feature. This one's a bit more advanced, but still free and no code. It's great for more structured voice or chat-based tools. I gave it a prompt: create a voice assistant that helps new freelancers choose their ideal service based on their skills and goals. Hit Build, and within seconds, it built the full experience. I tested it, and the assistant asked thoughtful questions and gave a personalized suggestion based on my answers. This is ideal if you want to create more interactive or professional-grade tools, like digital assistants, onboarding flows, or customer service bots.
Hi! What are the most important skills should I focus on when I will start freelancing?
That's a great question. It really depends on your interests and what you enjoy doing. What kind of things do you like to do?
Tool number 3 is Notebook LM, one of the most underrated research tools right now. I loaded in a client brief, a marketing article, and a few customer testimonials. Then I asked, summarize this into a campaign strategy with headline angles, key objections, and buyer triggers. Notebook LM pulled all the data, cross-referenced it, and generated a clear strategic breakdown. But here's the cool part. With the new video overview feature, it turned that strategy into a narrated video walkthrough. It's perfect if you're doing content creation, research, course building, or trying to train team members on the fly. Tool number 4 is Gemini, specifically the Canvas feature. I dropped in a long, unstructured Google Doc with rough notes for a new online offer. I told Gemini, turn this into a structured sales page layout with headline, subheadline, bullet points, and call to action. Within seconds, it turned raw thoughts into clean, organized copy. But Gemini also lets you set custom instructions. Under settings, I added, always speak with confidence, avoid technical jargon, and write like a brand strategist. From that point on, Gemini started responding in that exact tone. This kind of personalization makes your outputs more consistent, and it trains Gemini to match your voice or your brand. And finally, tool number 5 is hiding in plain sight. YouTube AI Summaries. Underneath many videos, there's now a small AI Summary tab. Click it, and it gives you a quick summary of what the video covers. It's super useful when you're scanning tutorials, long-form interviews, or product reviews, and want to avoid wasting 15 minutes just to figure out if it's relevant. It doesn't show up on every video yet, but when it does, it's a time saver. And honestly, I've caught myself using it daily. So that's the lineup. 5 completely free, insanely powerful Google AI tools that go way beyond novelty. From building apps and voice tools to summarizing research, building branded workflows, and saving time on content. These are tools you can plug into real work. But here's the thing. Tools alone don't give you leverage. Strategy does. And if you don't want to figure it all out alone, we've built a school community for creators, freelancers, and digital builders who want to move smarter with AI.
If you're someone who's building and ready to go deeper, this is your shortcut. Click the link below to join the school group. It's free to start and filled with people who are turning tools into results. And if you want even more game-changing tools, there's a video on your screen right now with more free AI tools you haven't tried yet. Click that next, and I'll see you inside the group.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.